Namaste. Welcome back to my YouTube channel eEducator. In this video, we are going to discuss the Standard 10 subject Social Science, chapter number 6, Places of Indian Cultural Heritage. Okay, places of Indian Cultural Heritage. So, if you are new and if you are not subscribed the channel, click on subscribe button to subscribe the YouTube channels here. So, number of other videos are already uploaded in a YouTube channel. You can see the playlist of a channel. Subscribe, see the playlist of a channel where you can find the videos. Remaining video will be uploaded very soon here. So, we discussed textbook exercise here. Let's start here discussion. Okay, let us discuss about the weightage of this lesson. So, lesson number lesson number this 6, the weightage of lesson number 6 is a 4 marks. Lesson number 6 is a 4 marks. Generally in the section B के अंदर कितने 2 क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, 2 मार्क्स के 2 क्वेश्चंस होते हैं. सेक्शन बी में 2 मार्क्स के 2 क्वेश्चंस ए लेसन के अंदर से आ जाता है. कभी ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि इसमें से एक क्वेश्चन सेक्शन सी में 3 मार्क्स आ जाए और एक ऑब्जेक्टिव आए, बट ऐसा होता नहीं है. बट जनरली लेसन नंबर ये जो 6 है उसमें से इमेज बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस भी आते हैं. ओके, इमेज बेस्ड क्वेश्चन, क्योंकि देखिए नंबर ऑफ मॉन्यूमेंट्स, जितने भी मॉन्यूमेंट्स दिए गए उनके इमेजेस वहां पर भी दी गई है. इमेज बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस आल्सो आस्क्ड फ्रॉम दिस लेसन नंबर 6. इमेज दी जाती है, उसके नीचे क्वेश्चंस भी होते हैं और इमेज के हिसाब से आपको शॉर्ट नोट भी लिखना रहता है. दैट रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस आर आस्क्ड इन लेसन नंबर 6 here. Lesson number 6. So prepare for the 2 marks here. Prepare for the 2 marks here. Okay, so while writing the answer, you make sure that we'll write the answers into the point wise here. We write the answer point wise. Answer the following questions in detail. Number 1 is a describe the architectural style of Taj Mahal. Okay, we need to write about the information about the Taj Mahal. We need to write the information about the Taj Mahal. So Taj Mahal is located in Agra in Uttar Pradesh on the bank of river Yamuna. Where is located? In Uttar Pradesh, bank of Yamuna. So Taj Mahal is one of the 7 wonders of the world. What is? It is one of the 7 wonders of the world. It's considered 7 wonders of the world. It was constructed by Mughal King Shah Jahan in the memory of his queen Mumtaz Mahal. It was constructed in the memory of Mumtaz Mahal. Shah Jahan used expert Indians. Okay, they were used Indians, Iranian, Arabian, Turkish, and European sculptor in the constructions of Taj Mahal. So building of Taj Mahal is spread in rectangular shape from north to south direction, and the grave of Mumtaz lies in the center of Taj. So in the grave, this grave of Mumtaz, that Mumtaz Mahal lies in the center of Taj. So surrounded by beautiful artistic octagonal fence carved out of a stone. The grave of Mumtaz Mahal is surrounded octagonal fence carved out of a stone here, and a beautiful saying is inscribed on one of its arch, one of the arch of a Taj Mahal. What is? Pious hearts are welcomed in the garden of paradise. That has been mentioned, that has been written in the arch of a Taj Mahal. So architecture of a Taj glorify the rich heritage of India. So this answer. Number 2 here, write a note on the places of a cultural heritage of Gujarat. So we need to write about the places of a cultural heritage of Gujarat. इस टाइप का दूसरा क्वेश्चन भी टेक्स्ट बुक एक्सरसाइज में दिया था लास्ट में, हम क्वेश्चन 3 या 2 के अंदर साइड. So Gujarat has a foremost place in the field of sculpture and architecture. So many beautiful architectural sites can be seen here. For example, number of architectural sites are there in Gujarat. Like caves architectures we found here. We found temples in Gujarat, forts, number of forts. Wow, that is called as stepwells. Okay, arches are located in India here. Some is ancient historical site is here. Dolavira. Dolavira is situated in the Khadir Belt at Bachau Taluka. More detailed discussion was done in the lesson number 3. Bachau Taluka in Kutch district. So Dolavira is known for its ideal town planning Bead making factories and ornaments making shells were found out from this Dholavira here. So we found this Dholavira. It is Khadir Bed, Khadir Island, located in Bachau Taluka in a Kutch district. Is ideal for the town planning. So bead making factories are also found. Ornament making shells are found in this Dholavira. Lothal is one of the architectural place that which a main center of a trade and commerce and well facilitated ports of a Harappan culture in the ancient time. Junagadh. So in Junagadh we found various monuments in Junagadh. In Junagadh, stone inscription of Ashoka, Buddhist cave of Khapra Kudia, wow, stepwells, old Raj Mahal, Navgarh well, tomb of Muhammad Khan and tomb of Bahauddin Wazirs, etc. has been the places as worth seeing places in Junagadh. Ahmedabad, it could be known as a historical city. Okay, the fort of Bhadra, Jama Masjid, Mosque of Queen Sipri, Roja of Sarkhes, Kankriya Lake, Shaking Minarets, Julta Minar, Siddhi Sayed Grill or Siddhi Sayed Jali, temples of Hatisi, Mosque of Queen Rupmati are worth seeing architecture of. Many more others are also included in a list of Ahmedabad. बहुत सारे दूसरे भी नेम है जो यहाँ पर मेंशन नहीं किए. These are the worth seeing places in Ahmedabad. Just इसमें आपको नेम ही लिखने. जूनागढ़ के अंदर नेम है, अहमदाबाद के अंदर नेम दिए गए. इसमें दो तीन रेज आए तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं होती आंसर में. So Shekin Minaret outside Sarangpur Darwaza, Raipur, okay, Gomtipura is well known. It's unsolved secret of vibration. Shaking tower, it is because of vibrations in this okay twin tower there. Minar. Now Siddhi Said Grill. Siddhi Said Grill is famous for its vegetational and geographical creations and okay, minute carving. This Siddhi Said Grill is carved out of a single rock. Like we have the grill, we used to keep the grill over windows. Same, it is a window grills which carved out from a stone here, single stone. Minute carvings are found. Okay, birthplace of Patan or Gujarat, Sahasraling Lake in Patan, stepwell of a Queen Ranini Vav, and Rudra Mahalay of Sidhpur are world seeing architectures in a Patan. The remains of Buddhist stupas are found from Mordevi of Junagadh, even Buddhist, okay, Buddhist religious related, Junagadh district, Devani Mori near Shamlaji, Intava stupa in Girnar near Junagadh. These are the words saying okay, Buddhist architecture. Write a note on the Red Fort of Delhi. Red Fort of Delhi. Look at it was a questions in the board exam before it was asked there. Okay, architectures or okay regarding the currency note questions was been asked here. Okay, in a new currency of India, which currency of 500 rupees, which monument depicted? Write the notes about that. मतलब जो 500 rupees के नोट पर आप देखोगे the रेड फोर्ट मिलेगा. तो रेड फोर्ट उससे इस रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन पूछा गया था बोर्ड के एग्जाम के अंदर. So write a note on Red Fort of Delhi. Red Fort is located at Delhi. Okay, is question के अंदर Delhi. So it was built by Shahjahan in 1638. Who is constructor? Shahjahan. This fort is made out of red. Okay, sandstones is used. Red stones are used for construction of this fort. Shahjahan founded the city named Shahjahanabad in the Red Fort. Red Fort city which Red Fort के अंदर जो city बनाया गया उसको शाहजहांबाद से जाना जाता है. This fort includes Diwane Am, Diwane Khas, okay, Diwane Am, Diwane Khas, Rang Mahal. These are the different parts of a Red Fort. Red Fort के अंदर जो राजा और उनके मिनिस्टर्स के साथ जो मीटिंग रहती थी उसको दीवाने खास बोला जाता था. और जो राजा रहता था, किंग रहता और उसके कॉमन लोगों के पास मीटिंग चलता था वो सब डिस्कशन के लिए उसको दीवाने आम जाना जाता था. रंग महल. Diwane Khas is more magnificent decorated than other buildings. So comparing the other building, Diwane Khas is more magnificent and decorated here. So decorated with an amalgamation of a gold. Okay, it is decorated with the gold, silver, and embedded with the precious stones are used for the decorations of it. Diwane Khas. So the other buildings of red forts are okay, Rang Mahal, Mirror Palace, Aina Mahal of Mumtaz, Lahori Gate, Mina Bazar, Mughal Gardens, which are the center of attractions in a red fort. Peacock thrones, okay, is most beautiful creations of this fort. which Nadir Shah took along with him to Iran. Nadir Shah वो ईरान लेकर गया था. Every year, our Indian flag is hosted on the Red Fort on national festival. Answer the following questions in point wise. Question 2. Explain art of architecture of Hampi. Rupees 50 rupees currency के ऊपर Hampi आप देख लेना. So this town is situated on the bank of a river Tungabhadra of hospit name of a city there. Okay. Bellary district of Karnataka के पर वहाँ पर ये आया हुआ है. Hampi was the capital city of Vijayanagar. Raja Krishna Dev Rai was one of the greatest king of Vijayanagar here, and during this time it was developed here. So Hampi was the capital city of Vijayanagar kingdom. And the ruler of Vijayanagar kingdom were lover of art, especially Raja Krishna Dev Rai. Okay, the period of Krishna Dev Rai was considered to be the golden period of art, as reached to this highest peak in art and architectures here. So Krishna Dev Rai itself, he has also authors, he has also written the books. Here, lesson number 4 we discussed there. The main feature of architecture style of Vijayanagar was to carve out of huge and magnificent pillars from a stone here. So carving a skill, magnificent pillars, temples are carved from the single stone. These are the main characteristics here. Pillars and columns made were artistically decorated with the figures of gods, goddesses, humans, animals, warriors, and dancers. They are like decorated, these pillars and columns in the temples or in the fort palaces. So in Hampi village of Vijayanagar kingdom, so in Hampi village, Hampi place ka name Vijayanagar kingdom, during the reign of Krishna Dev Rai, the Vithala temples and Khajuraho temples were also built beside it here. Virupaksa temple, okay, Achyutarai temples of Lord Krishnas are also best examples of architecture's point of view there. Write about the Khajuraho temples. It's about the Khajuraho temple, Khajuraho, Madhya Pradesh. So these temples are located in a small village named Khajuraho at Chhattarpur district of Madhya Pradesh. So they are located in Chhattarpur district, Madhya Pradesh. Khajuraho was the ancient capital cities of the Chandela rulers, Chandela Rajputs of Bundelkhand. So Chandela was ruling, Rajput was ruling in the Bundelkhand of Uttar Pradesh here. So it was a ancient capital cities of that Chandela Rajputs here. Presently 25 temples are existence. Presently 25 temples are found there. Most of them are Shivas. Most of temples 25 are Lord Shiv, and temples which are some of the are Vaishnav and Jain temples are also there in this Khajuraho here. Even then, out of that 64 Yogini temples is the main temples. The Toran, the arches, entrances of a temple is the best example of ornamental style of architecture. Okay, architecture point of view, the arches which are constructed in temples, these are the most important or ornamental kind of architectures which are used here. So all the temples were constructed with a granite. The granite stone is used. It's very difficult to carve on a granite stone. आप रेड जैसे स्टोन है कि सैंडस्टोन पर आराम से कार्विंग कर सकते हो. ग्रेनाइट के ऊपर कार्व करना, मार्बल पे कार्विंग करना, इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट. Now, Khajuraho temples were constructed in Nagar style of art of a sculpture. Remember, Nagar style of art is used for the constructions of this temple here. Write a note on Sun Temple of Konark. Okay. So Sun Temple of Modera, Sun Temple of Konark, Sun Temple of Modera discussed number 3rd week. Lesson 3rd में देखा है. Sun Temple of Konark. So it's situated near the Bay of Bengal, Puri district in Odisha. It was constructed in 13th century during the reign of a king Narsivarman I, and who belonged to the Ganga dynasty. So Narsivarman I belonged to the Ganga dynasty. This chariot temple drawn by the 7 horses took from the chariot. Okay, why it is called chariot temple? The shape of a temple is look like a chariot, has the wheels and drawn by the horses here. So chariot temples drawn by 7 horses and from the chariot of sun god. It has a 12 massive wheels. So sides in the base of a temple we found 12 massive wheels, providing beauties and to the pedestals of a temple. These are pedestal, the base of a temple. Base का जो temple का base रहता है, और 12 massive चारों तरफ के देखा जाए तो 12 massive wheels है. These wheels reflects 12 months, and each wheels it adds spoke here. So this will reflect the 12 months. Yeah, okay, 12 months. This 12 massive wheels about 12 months, and each wheel has a 8 spoke. जो wheels के अंदर कितने spoke है, ऐसे जो होते हैं 8 spoke है वहां पर, टोटल 8 spoke wheel के अंदर, which suggested what suggests it that suggests so that 8 prahars of a day. प्रहार मतलब certain durations of a day. ये अगर 8 है तो देखा जाए तो 3 hours का एक प्रहर होगा. Okay, so 24 hours. So the 8 prahars of the day. The temples has been built by the black stone. It's constructed in the black stone. Hence, it is also called the Black Pagoda. Which temple is known as the Black Pagoda? Write the information about the Black Pagoda. In the way also question asks here. Write about the Bruhadeshwar temple. About the Bruhadeshwar temple, the Bruhadeshwar temple is located at Tanjore in Tamil Nadu. It is located in Tanjore in Tamil Nadu. This temple was built during the 1003 AD to 1010 AD. It was constructed this time. It has constructed in Dravidian style of art. So how it was constructed? Constructed in Dravidian style of art. So it is Shiva temple. So it is called the Bruhadeshwar. So it is Shiva temple. So it is called the Bruhadeshwar. So it is built by King Rajaraj I of a Chola dynasty. It's known as a Rajeshwar temple. So, okay, Bruhadeshwar temple is also called a Rajeshwar temple on the name of Raja I. Chola dynasty is constructed because of it. The height of this temple is 500 feet. Its width is 250 feet. So, spread in a vast areas of surrounded by the wall. Its summit is 200 feet height above the ground. The summit. Okay. Ground, hence its temples attain the places of attain the place in the temples of a high pinnacle. So it is a high pinnacle, शिखर, high शिखर के अंदर इसका include किया जाता है. So this is a marvelous heritage of architecture art of India. Write a note on Fatehpur Sikri. Fatehpur Sikri. So Fatehpur Sikri is 26 miles away from Agra, Uttar Pradesh. It's 26 miles away. Okay, from Agra in Uttar Pradesh here. Akbar has founded the city in the memories of a Sufi saint Salim, okay, Sheikh Salim Chishti. Sheikh Salim Chishti, okay, Chishti की याद में फतेहपुर सिकरी city बनाया गया था. And he made his own capital city later on. Okay, that Akbar who made the Fatehpur Sikri as a capital city during his tenure. Okay, the building constructed of a Sikri was started in 1569 AD and completed till 1572. The best buildings among them are places, okay, different palaces of a Birbal, okay, Golden Palace of a Bibi Mariam, even the palace of a Turki Sultan, Jama Masjid, and Buland Darwaja. These are the considered Darwaja entrances of Fatehpur Sikri. Consider worth seeing places, important places here. So Buland Darwaja of Fatehpur Sikri is 41 meter wide and 50 meter high. Buland Darwaja, very strong, the entrance Darwaja. The other well-known and remarkable building of Sikri as places of Jodhabai, Diwane Khas, Jyotish Mahal are considered the important remarkable buildings in the Fatehpur Sikri. Fatehpur Sikri planned city. Now look, answer the following question in short. Write a brief note on the Kailash temple at Ellora. Ellora caves are situated in Aurangabad district in Maharashtra. Ajanta Ellora, okay, they are located in Maharashtra. Elephanta is also in Maharashtra. So Kailash temple is situated in caves number 16. Okay, whatever the caves, Ellora caves है, उसके cave number 16 के अंदर कैलाश temple आया हुआ है. So it is 50 meter long, 30 meter wide, and 30 meter high. टेम्पल इज कार्व्ड आउट ऑफ अ सिंगल मासिव रॉक. क्योंकि ये जो टेम्पल है एक बड़ा सा हिली एरिया था, मासिव रॉक, बड़े से पत्थर के अंदर से बनाया गया है. टेम्पल को ऊपर के साइड से काटते हुए नीचे की साइड से बनाया गया हुआ है. टेम्पल इज कार्व्ड फ्रॉम टॉप टू द बॉटम, फ्रॉम टॉप टू द बॉटम, ऊपर से काटते हुए नीचे की तरफ से वो गए हुए. तो फ्रॉम टॉप, टॉप टू द बॉटम, ये मंदिर को ऊपर से कार्विंग करके बनाए हुए, ऐसा नहीं कि अलग अलग पिलर्स वहां पर लगाया गया है, ऐसा नहीं, इट कार्व्ड फ्रॉम अ सिंगल स्टोन. So temple is decorated with beautiful doors, even balconies, series of pillars are there in this temple. The beauty of temples cannot be described in the words. So it's so kind of architecture and kind of like a technique and skill were used which cannot be described in the word here. It is constructed during the time of 600 AD to 1000 AD, and it is a live display of ancient Indian civilization. Write a brief note on Elephanta caves. Information about the Elephanta caves here. So Elephanta caves are built in the Arabian Sea, 12 kilometers away from Mumbai in Maharashtra. It's located in Maharashtra here. There is 7 caves in all. Okay, there is a huge stone monument of an elephant. On seeing this structure, the Portuguese name is Elephanta. How it called Elephanta name? So there is a huge stone monument, elephant. Elephant का एक बड़ा सा monument है वहाँ पर. While seeing a Portuguese, वो Portuguese ने उनको देखने के बाद उसका नेम रखा गया है Elephanta Caves. So many beautiful figures have been carved out of them. Magnificent Trimurti temple. We found the Trimurti temples there. Trimurti temples. Okay, there. Brahma, Vishnu, and Mahesh. The photograph image which given in a textbook here. Cave number 1 is the best specimen of sculpture in this Elephanta caves. In 1987, UNESCO has placed Elephanta caves in the list of a World Heritage. Local fishermen call it धारापुरी. देखिए लोकल फिशरमैन कॉल एलिफेंटा केव्स तो क्या बोलते हैं वो धारापुरी से जाना जाता है. Write a short note on Qutub Minar. Short note on Qutub Minar. Okay. Information about Qutub Minar. Qutub Minar is located at Delhi. It's located at Delhi. Delhi में आया हुआ है. And it was built in a 12th century by Qutubuddin Aibak. Qutubuddin Aibak ने बनाया हुआ है वो. And who was the founder of a Ghulam dynasty, or you can call them the founder of a slave dynasty. Sultanate period के अंदर slave dynasty के Qutubuddin Aibak. Now, after his death, the remaining work was completed his son-in-law Iltutmish. So, after the death of Qutubuddin Aibak ने शुरू तो किया लेकिन वो कंप्लीट होने से पहले उसकी डेथ हो गई. So उसका completion किसने किया? Son-in-law Iltutmish. And this 72.5 meter tall skyscraper is made out of a round red stone and marble. So this 72-meter tall skyscraper, the minarets, which was constructed out of a round red stone and marble stones are used for the construction of this. The circumference of this minar is a 13.75 meter at the base and is reduced to 2.75 meter. Base जो है वहाँ पर वो उसका 13.7 है. जैसे हाइट इंक्रीज होती है तो उसका जो ऊपर वाला जो सरकमफरेंस है वो 2.75 हो जाता है, धीरे धीरे कम होता है कि बैलेंस बना रहे और आराम से टिका रहे एट द टॉप है. सो वर्सेस ऑफ कुरान हैज बीन एनगार्ड ऑन एनगार्ड लिखा गया है इसके ऊपर मीनार के कुतुब मीनार के ऊपर. एंड इट इज द टॉलेस्ट स्टोन मीनारेट ऑफ इंडिया. मीनार इट इज कंसिडर्ड टॉलेस्ट स्टोन मीनार. स्टोन के अंदर से जो मीनार बनाया गया उसमें इज वन ऑफ द टॉलेस्ट मीनार इन इंडिया. Write a short note on the cathedrals or churches of Goa. Now, Goa was the capital of Portuguese, so only churches are found in Goa. Many churches were built in Goa, like Church of Basilica of Bomb Jesus and Basilica of God Jesus are in old Goa. We found the churches. Even the relic of Saint Francis Xavier's, their bodies are kept in Saint Francis Xavier's का body वहाँ पर संभाल के रखा हुआ है, is kept in a coffin in the church of Goa. His dead body has not decayed even after so many years. जैसे मम्मीज जो इजिप्ट के पिरामिड्स में निकल गए वैसे सब चीज को संभाल के रखा हुआ है वहाँ पर. Besides there are many churches in Goa also found. बहुत सारे दूसरे churches भी है वहाँ पर. Make a list of places, monuments of cultural heritage of Gujarat. Same जो question number 2 और 3 जो था question 1 का उस टाइप का ही question है यहाँ पर. लिस्ट लिखा सिर्फ नेम लिखने आपको गुजरात के गुजरात के अंदर जितने मॉन्यूमेंट्स है प्लेसेस आते हैं उनके. देखिए टेक्स्ट बुक के अंदर एक मैप दिया गया है. चैप्टर 6 के अंदर टेक्स्ट बुक के अंदर एक मैप दिया गया है, वो मॉन्यूमेंट्स के बारे में ये मैप दिया गया है। वो मैप एक बार एग्जाम में आया था, 3 मार्क्स के 3 मार्क्स का जो क्वेश्चन था उसमें पूछा गया था कि क्वेश्चन वाज आस्क्ड देयर, मैप वाज गिवन और इंडेक्स था वो निकाल दिया था। तो क्वेश्चन ऐसा था कि गुजरात, महाराष्ट्र, आइडेंटिफाई द कल्चरल हेरिटेज प्लेसेस ऑफ गुजरात, महाराष्ट्र एंड मध्य प्रदेश, शायद राजस्थान था या मध्य प्रदेश था समथिंग। ओके, उनको गुजरात के मॉन्यूमेंट्स का आपको नेम लिखने, कल्चरल प्लेसेस के नेम लिखने थे, अलग अलग नेम आपको लिस्ट डाउन करने थे, उस हिसाब से क्वेश्चन पूछा था। प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन पेपर देख लेना, आपको आइडिया आ जाएगा। तो गुजरात हैज अ फॉरमोस्ट प्लेस इन द फील्ड ऑफ कल्चर एंड आर्किटेक्चर। धोलावीरा, लोथल were the main cities of Indus Valley civilization. In Junagadh, stone inscriptions of Ashoka, Buddhist cave, okay, Navgan Wales, बुद्धिस्ट केव यहाँ पर आएगा, बुद्धिस्ट केव आएगा, केव इंक्लूड होगा। Well, okay, places are worth seeing. In Ahmedabad, a fort of Badra, Jama Masjid, Mosque of Queen Sipri, Shaking Minaret, Sidi Sayed Grill, and temples of Hadiths, they are worth seeing architecture places in Ahmedabad. बहुत सारे दूसरे भी है, आप मेंशन कर सकते हो यहाँ पर। Shastrilingga Lake in Patan, Stepwell of Queen Rani Nivav, and Rudra Mahalai of Sidpur are worth seeing places architectures here. So at Vadnagar, Sharmista Lakes and Kirti Arches are worth seeing monuments in Vadnagar. The remains of Buddhist stupas are found from Boar Devi of Junagadh district, Devani Mori near Shamlaji. These are the Buddhist architectures in Gujarat. One stepwell of Adalas near Gandhinagar, stepwell of Queen of Patan, Adikadi stepwell at Junagadh. These are stepwells in Gujarat. There were many Jain temples in Shatrunji Mountains at Palitana in Bhavnagar district. Somnath temples at Gir Somnath district. Dwarkadish temples of Devbhumi, Dwarka, gorgeous historical heritage in Gujarat. 6 number, India has been a land of pilgrimages since ancient time. Explain this statement. So India has been a land of pilgrimage since ancient time. The journey of Chardham and 12 Jyotirlinga includes Badrinath, okay, Uttarakhand, Badrinath, where located Uttarakhand, Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu, okay, Chardham, okay, Chardham, Chardham, 4 directions of India: Badrinath, Uttarakhand, North India; Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu, South India; Dwarka, Gujarat, okay, western part of India; Jagannath Puri in Odisha, this is the eastern part of India. ये Chardham include किया जाता है. Moreover, pilgrimages of 12 ज्योतिर्लिंगा, 12 ज्योतिर्लिंगा भी पूरे इन्हीं के अंदर आई हुई, उनका important है. So moreover, pilgrimages of 51 Shaktipeeth, like Ambaji is one of the Shaktipeeth, Pavagadh is one of the Shaktipeeth here, and Amarnath Yatras are considered as one of the most important in India here. Girnar, Lili Parikrama, Shatrunjaya Pradikshana, Narmada Pradikshanas have a great importance. So India is a treasures house of a rich cultural heritage. So we can say that India has been a land of pilgrimage since ancient time. Okay, this MCQ here. In which state are Ajanta caves located? Ajanta caves are located in Maharashtra. Located in Maharashtra. Which is not a correct statement. Which is not a correct statement means a false statement. Which is a false statement? Kailash temple is located in Ellora caves. ये true statement है. There are 34 caves in Ellora. ये true statement है. Hindu caves were built during the Rashtrakuta dynasty. ये भी true statement. तो बचा कौन सा ये? Ellora caves are divided into the 3 section. Hindu, Jain and Buddhist 3 section में है. Okay, so answer first B, second D. Match the pairs and choose the correct orders. Match the pairs. Temples, Sun Temple of Konark is located in Odisha. So D first में D आएगा. तो फर्स्ट में D एक यहाँ पर है और कहाँ पर आपको ऐसा आंसर एक ही जगह पर है फर्स्ट में D, सन टेम्पल ऑफ कोणार्क. तो ये ऑप्शन होना चाहिए. विरूपाक्ष टेम्पल, पदकर, बृहदेश्वर टेम्पल, खजुराहो टेम्पल, देख लीजिए फोर्थ में ये आना चाहिए. सो ये फर्स्ट के अंदर थर्ड के अंदर ये आएगा. ओके, ताजमहल कोरिलेशन काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन इसको बोलते. ताजमहल शाहजहां ने कंस्ट्रक्ट किया था. टॉम्ब ऑफ हुमायूं किसने कंस्ट्रक्शन किया था? तो हमीदा बेगम का ऑप्शन टेक्स्ट बुक में ऑप्शन में नहीं दिया गया. वो आप हमीदा बेगम ने कंस्ट्रक्शन करवाया था टॉम्ब ऑफ हुमायूं, तो टॉम्ब ऑफ हुमायूं वहाँ पर हमीदा बेगम आएगा। फिफ्थ नंबर, हु फॉर्म द सिटी नेम्ड फतेहपुर सिकरी, ओके, हु फाउंडेड a city as a Fatehpur Sikri? Akbar, who founded a city Fatehpur Sikri here. Third A, fourth C, and fifth D. Sixth number, which is the correct options if we arrange those historical places of India sequence from north to south. We need to arrange them north to south. सबसे नॉर्थन मोस्ट कौन सा है, उसके बारे पहले आएगा, उसके बाद में साउथ साउथ आएगा। तो ताजमहल लिस्ट क्या है, ताजमहल, खजुराहो, बृहदेश्वर टेम्पल एंड इरोला है। तो ताजमहल आएगा उत्तर प्रदेश के अंदर, तो सबसे नॉर्थ में आएगा। खजुराहो एमपी के अंदर आएगा। बृहदेश्वर टेम्पल तमिलनाडु आएगा। एलोरा महाराष्ट्र में आएगा। सो बृहदेश्वर लास्ट में होना चाहिए, बृहदेश्वर लास्ट में होना चाहिए। तो बृहदेश्वर ताजमहल पहले होना चाहिए, बृहदेश्वर लास्ट में होना चाहिए। तो ताजमहल पहले है यहाँ पर और बृहदेश्वर यहाँ पर, डी ऑप्शन यहाँ पे आएगा। तो ताजमहल उत्तर प्रदेश, खजुराहो मध्य प्रदेश, एलोरा महाराष्ट्र एंड तमिलनाडु ये। ठीक है, join the given pairs are given, we need to join them. Okay, Upperkot, so Upperkot is found in Junagadh, is D here. Siddhi Sayed Grill is located in Ahmedabad. A here, Stepwell of Queen Shipri, शिप्री यहाँ पर नहीं आएगा। ओके, शिप्री रॉन्ग दिया गया है, शिप्री नहीं आता। स्टेपवेल ऑफ अ क्वीन, रानी नी वाव, तो पाटन है, बी आता है। एंड धोलावीरा, धोलावीरा खादिर भी है। तो डी ए बी सी, डी ए बी सी, डी ए बी सी, ओके, बी ऑप्शन ये। विच इज नॉट अ टाइप ऑफ अ स्टेपवेल, तो इसमें तड़ा इज नॉट अ टाइप ऑफ, ये आंसर तो यहाँ पर आ गए, देखिए। ओके, 6 में डी, 7th में बी, okay, and 8 have a C option. Like to know, येलो कलर का बॉक्स है टेक्स्ट बुक में, which is not type of a stepwell, type of a stepwell वहां पर दिया है। Okay, this is the exercise of lesson number 6. Hope you like these videos, and if you have any query you can send me in the comment box, and still if you have not subscribed, click on subscribe button to subscribe the channel and share with your classmate here. Okay, rest of whatever the videos are remaining will be uploaded very soon. And okay, if you are in doubts you can ask me in the comment box, and okay, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.